Go.
We're making cupcakes for Thanksgiving.
Making cupcakes for Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Okay, tell them what you're doing.
Dump the mix in.
This is the mix. It is white.
Make sure you get it all. We got it all? Good job.
This is the mix.
Okay. And we have to do 3 eggs.
And
A little harder. There, you got it. It's okay. Just there you go. Well, you gotta pull it apart, babe. Just like that. There we go. Okay.
That's the first
Next
egg.
one.
That's
Pull it apart. Very nice.
that's 2.
Very nice.
And this is the last egg.
Very good. And then we need a stick of butter. Can you put all that in there? All right.
Now what do we do?
Now we have to mix all that, but I think you best wash your hands first. Okay? Let's get our hands washed.
Let's get our hands washed. And then I can show you the mix.
Yeah, because our hands are kind of achy right now. Would you like some soap?
So,
Yeah, we need soap to crack the eggs. Wash. Very nice. I think Grandma needs a little too. What do you think?
yeah.
Okay,
That's
then you
how
grab a
you
towel. That's how you wash, okay? And then we will start mixing our mix
Yeah.
for our cupcakes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, we're
Okay.
ready as soon as I get this.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Okay. Here's the mixer.
Your grandma
Yep.
started.
Yep.
Is there any water or anything going that?
Oh, it's not working. That's not. Oh, there is some water that goes in there.
Yeah.
We need 2/3 cup of water. Okay, I'm not used to videoing. Should we get water out of the fridge?
Sure.
Okay. 'Cause that's clean filtered water. babe.
Silly grandma.
How much did I say?
That's the water. She forgot there was water.
2/3 cup.
What?
You're silly.
What?
Better pay attention to what you're doing. Make your cupcakes, Delia.
Oh.
Gram's trying to get us the right amount here. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, there we go. That's
Yeah.
better.
Now we can start making.
Now we can start mixing. Oh, look at that. Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah.
The butter went right through there, didn't it?
I don't know.
Did you get a little on you?
Yeah, make it off.
Did it taste good?
Yeah.
All right.
Have a little more.
Hmm?
Have a little more.
Not when the mixer's on there.
Not when it's done.
Maybe when it's done, yeah. Maybe we should have let our butter melt a little bit more. Oh, that's it. What does it look like? Do you think you should sample it?
Can I sample
Get a
it?
sample.
Can I sample it?
No, sample. Taste it. Oh, that was a pretty big sample. How's it taste?
Good.
Good. Can you do this? Hold this. Here you go. Mix it. You got it? Hold it up. There you go. think that's pretty well mixed. No, wait. Let Grandma get the...
Zoe, don't put your fingers back in
There we go. Okay. You can have one of the...
I like one of those whole things.
there. After you're done.
Okay.
I want
All right.
Now we have to put the mixture in our cupcake pan.
You want to
So-
sign off on your video?
Yes.
Tell them thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
Come again.
Again Sunday soon.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to all.